I don't really care how you perform in a term test. What is more important, in 2 years later, you apply this evaluation of the more. That's what I do today. Okay? I know grades is all you, but yes.
This might be a little bit of a but why do we write AX plus MG for in
Because that's a fundamental question. Bring force away from closer.
yes, gravity? Bring force plus the gravity doesn't oppose gravity.
Then the whole mass will fall. The whole mass will drop.
Bring force opposes gravity.
Yeah, but you look at energy down here, it's not the whole thing will drop. So on the right hand side, right, I have to include energy, but not the whole thing will just drop. So if you look at the free body diagram, energy is coming down, I have to have another energy level. Then it will cancel out. Then I can get this equation. If I don't cancel it out, what will happen? If I don't have this mg down here, what will happen? No.
Once it starts moving,
Mass will never be equal to 0, because if mass is equal to 0, then it's a static case. You can more or less make the assumption, yeah, okay, but we have to be careful over there, okay. Any other questions from here? No? Okay, let's look at homework number 3. Now, homework number 3 is critical. Why? Because if you cannot do homework number 3, means you have issue with homework number 1 and 2. Yes. Well, I provide the constants for alpha and omega. Alpha, omega. So what is happened over here is, if you look at your avenue to learn, this is all you're going to get. Have you seen this? Have you seen this? Then why you ask me that question, you GP solve? No, this is final already. This is beauty. Yes. Say it again. Oh, the T down here, right? Another pint of beer. Okay. Thank you for telling me. Okay, so I will add the T's, not now, later on. Okay. Woo. Any mistake that you spot? Anyone else? Yes. Okay. Yep. Yes. Yep. Okay. So you're right. I have to correct my. Thank you so much. You get 2 pints of beer for doing that. Okay. Do you drink? It's okay. I give you orange juice. Okay. Any other questions so far? Let's clarify things. Okay. My purpose down here is calm you down for the term test. Okay. The term test. Yes. Formula sheet. You found another error? So the homogeneous, if you look at all this, the homogeneous, the question asks, is it at steady state? The 2 real roots, at one stage, it will reach steady state. The complex conjugate roots is a transient state. But if you look at my notes, you have to add a steady state component. Huh? It depends. Why you have to XXSS? The general equation assumes that XSS is not equal to 0. Mathematically, this is math. you don't add a XXS. Right? Okay. So this stage over here, this complex conjugate roots is a transient behavior. Okay, all of them are transient behavior. Good question. Does that make sense with you? Yes. It can be omega R in magnitude also. Okay, so in vector form is omega cross R over there. Yeah. Any other question? Thank you for spotting the T that's missing, man. Any other question regarding the formula sheet? Yes. So the particular solution, if you look at our notes, I think I did do it. Okay. If you look at the particular solution, that is week 2, Thursday. Okay. So the particular solution, you differentiate and then you substitute into the characteristic equation. Okay. Anyone else? Yes. Okay. So we force feed that solution, okay, or that solution into our behavior of our system. Okay, that's why it's particular. They can have other behavior, but we decide to use sine omega naught t as a particular solution. Okay, later on, when I think you guys are going to learn probably in the 6th week of 2Z03. Okay, there are other forms of solution. Okay. Anyone else? Any other question? Yes. Just do the homework. I'm serious. Questions are going to come up. You can get it from the textbook that you downloaded illegally from me. Okay, there are some problems over there. You can do that. Okay, but focus on homework. You can do the homework. You're good to go. Yes.
It's okay if you use our top-free method on the.
Yeah. I don't care how you eat your hamburger. As long as the food going without diarrhea, you can eat the beef first and then the bun. Go for it. Okay? Yeah.
Is there a chance that there'll be a question? Or is it just?
Can't say. If I tell you, then I have to tell everyone. Okay? Any more? Yes.
So we're given a question, we should just, and then the equation isn't provided on the formula sheet, we should show all our steps to see.
No, go for it. You're right. I hope you don't memorize. You're right. Yes. You guys are just worried about grades. If this is a marking scheme, I'll tell you what the marking scheme is like. Can I do that? That will answer your question. This is worth 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark. And this is worth 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and this is worth 0.5 and 0.5. Yes. I have to power another computer to show you how I mark. Are you more interested to know how I mark rather than going through more examples? Yes or no? I will do that. Today is your day. Okay. Yes. I have to power up another computer. Those of you that have taken 3A03 with me, you understand what I mean. Okay. Let's power up another computer. how I mark. And this is going to be the same. What I'm going to show you is going to be the same of how I mark in all the courses that I teach. Come on, power up. And some of you will love it. Some of you were like, seriously, Eugene? Because there's no standardization in how McMaster mark questions that has formulas. So I'll show you how I mark. I'll quickly pick an example. You see it yet? Okay, let's pick an example. I'm marking exactly the same on how I mark. Okay, so let's look at winter 2023. Okay. Hey. So I'll show you how I mark, marking scheme. Okay. Okay. And then I'll show you the marking scheme. Final exam. Okay, I'll show you the final exam. So this is the final exam. Wait, let me look at the. Hey, come on, go away. Okay, let's look at one. Okay, this is one of the most difficult question. Even my TA can't do it. Okay, my TA saw it and my TA said, Eugene, I think you just need to give them that question and then that's it. Okay, so what happened down here? I wonder, is this a good example or not? You know, this might not be a good example. Let's pick this one. Let's pick Mohs circle. Okay, let's pick Mohs circle. Okay, so this is a Mohs circle problem. And these are the marking scheme. You see 0.5, 0.5. You construct the circle, 1.5 marks. And then you get 0.5, 0.5, so on and so forth. And like your term test, okay, the numbers over here is dependent on your student number. Okay, it's dependent on student number. So we go over here. Okay. So what is the last digit of your student number? Yeah. Huh? 555? Okay. So her student number is 555. No, I'll do better. 666. So do not memorize your questions. Why? Because I program your term test that dependent on your student. I want you to look at the circles, okay? If your student number is 111, can you see the circle changes? Yes or no? And when it is my, unfortunately not favorite number, 666, it changes also. Okay, so how do I mark? So if you calculate the first value to be, so can you see my cursor now, right? Right. If you were to calculate this value, right, and this value, you got it wrong. Okay, for example, you got it wrong. You calculate, you get 13.5 or 13, or the unlucky number. Okay. Can you see this number change to 81.485? Yes or no? Yes or no? The 13 that you calculate, you get no mark.
Can you show us online?
But the next one where you calculated using your 13 is 81.485. So the 13 comes into here, you get the what? You get the marks. Are we clear? So this is how we're going to mark. Unfortunately, we are McMaster. We cannot give you marks because you write the, sorry, not we. I cannot give you marks because you just write the formula. Maybe other Mickey Mouse University can, not here. Okay, Mickey Mouse Society, some examples, Disneyland ones, okay? I mean, those not ranked the top 100, maybe they could. We are top 100, we can't. Okay. I know some courses that you take, you just write the formula, you get full marks, am I right? Yes or no? I can't enforce that on them. Okay? Any questions regarding the marking?